When using preset fonts, click on the font you would like. Then if you don't want capitals, you can just click this right arrow and go to the lowercase letters. So I'm typing out good soup on here, and I am going to need a space after good. And this will happen if it's too long. All you have to do is click medium, and this will make your letter smaller, but it will fit in your 4x4 hoop. So I'm clicking to the right still because I need that underscore, which is going to add a space for me. So I click that once, then continue with writing soup. Now it's going to give me a message again saying I don't have enough space, so I'm going to have to make my letters small. So once I continue with soup, I will have an opportunity to make them a little bit bigger. So I'm going to go to size and then pick the arrows that are all facing outwards to make it as big as possible. Then hit OK. And then I want it to be higher up on the sweater. So I'm gonna click this up arrow so that it moves it up on my sweatshirt. Once it's done, I click edit end, and you can use this trace feature to see where it's going to trace out on your sweater. So you know that that's where the area is going to be. And when you click them, you can see how the needle follows exactly where that will be on your actual sweatshirt. So I like to reference this just to make sure that it's going to be where I want it. And you can see if the camera's further out, if I click the top right corner, that's going to show me the farthest that the design is going to go on my sweatshirt. So that bottom, that's going to be the very bottom of the design. So once it's done, click embroider. Then there's this knob that you're going to turn towards you, and this will make your needle go down through your sweatshirt and catch the bobbin thread. Then your needle will go back up. Once it's back up, pull that lever to the right down, and you are ready to click the green button to start embroidering, and that will make your embroidery machine start on your design.